The other S in the 3S formula for startup PR is scaling. This is what you do when you've already had some momentum with your PR and now you're thinking about how to make a larger impact, how to scale it up. The overriding consideration here is the importance of reach. Reach is one of the most underrated metrics, but arguably the single most important metric when it comes to marketing, because everything depends on reach. If you want to get, say, 100 customers, that means you need to reach more than 100 customers. So the constraining factor is how many unique people you're able to expose your marketing to. And PR is one of the most powerful means of achieving that. And where this is best demonstrated is in the book by the researcher Byron Sharp called How Brands Grow. And in this book, he reveals the 7 rules for brand growth. And you can see here the first one listed: continuously reach out to all buyers of the category.